Today I would like to take a little bit of time and show you the ability that PPF or Paint Protection Film has to protect the surface of your vehicle. Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. There's a cluster or three areas of damage, different types of damage on the film protecting this bumper. On the front passenger side, we have maybe brushed up against the garage door, and there are other areas where something large has bounced up from the roadways and into the surface of the bumper, but the paint protection film has been the sacrificial layer and has taken that damage upon itself and saved the bumper. To the customer, this could look a little worrisome. It looks as if something penetrated the film and has damaged the clear coat, but I tell them not to worry. When I pull the PPF, that clear coat should be perfectly pristine underneath. And that's what I'm going to show you here today. We start by washing the car, bring it inside. We want to remove the film. We need to warm it up a little bit, let that adhesive relax so we can pull it free from the bumper without causing any more damage and bringing some paint with it. Heat comes into play, a heat gun, a steamer, or hot water. As we pull the film away from the damaged areas, you'll see that the clear is in excellent shape and saved underneath. Just a little bit of adhesive left behind. Whatever flew up and hit it or whatever it brushed against tore the film away, leaving its adhesive behind to be removed with chemicals later. There's more damage across the surface of this bumper, so we're going to take our time, be careful, and remove the film from the rest of the bumper. In this area, it looks like a cluster of rocks or something big flew up and made contact with the bumper. Underneath, again, the clear has been saved. The adhesive left behind can easily be cleaned with items and chemicals such as Citral 266 or G-Technique, tar and adhesive, and other chemicals I can show you. The shop manager has seen this many times before. She's already lost interest and ready to take a nap, but we'll continue on. Yet another area where something flew up and made contact with the bumper. It would look worrisome to the owner, but as we pull the film away, the clear again has been saved, just leaving a little bit of adhesive behind to remove later. The film has been completely removed from the bumper. Now we just want to clean up a bit, take away some of the leftover adhesive with the bug and tar and adhesive remover from G-Technique as our shop manager cheers us on from the background. With any leftover adhesive removed, we can continue the prep process and then bring the new piece of film to the bumper and start to apply it. Paint protection film, unlike your cosmetic wrap, is applied with the wet application, meaning there's a slip solution, there's a tack solution, and it all gets squeegeed out from under, letting the adhesive make contact with the surface and the film adheres. Brian here seeking his tack points for this bumper. Each bumper is different and has its starting tack points. Tesla's, being familiar with them, having at least one of those a week to protect, are rather quick and easy to install, and it won't take long. As you were working to remove air pockets and moisture from under the film, you're also looking for any type of debris, dust nibs, anything that has come in contact with the adhesive of the film and is getting stuck between the film and the clear coat, and that includes little tiny hairs and fibers. Now's a good time to search for them and remove them. You also want to line up sensor holes with the vehicles that have sensors in the bumpers. If not, the vehicle will let you know that they are covered. Give that film a stretch so it reaches its tack point and everything lines up, and you pull out all of the fingers. And there's yet another sensor hole to line up. So I hope you enjoyed this quick visual of how paint protection film is important protecting your vehicle. We now have a new piece of film protecting this bumper once again, and the car looks better than new and is ready to go.